Have you ever wondered why cherry blossoms, also known as sakura, only bloom for such a brief period each year? It's a question that's intrigued many a nature enthusiast. These delicate pink-hued flowers, native to Japan, have a name that rings with poetic beauty. Sakura, as they're called in the land of the rising sun, paint a glorious canvas each spring, yet their display is as brief as it is beautiful. This fleeting performance is not a mere quirk of nature, but an integral part of the sakura's life cycle. The cherry blossoms bloom en masse, creating a spectacle that's nothing short of breathtaking, only to wilt and fade in just a week or two. This transient blooming period is a poignant symbol of the fleeting nature of life, a theme often explored in Japanese literature and art. Indeed, the ephemeral beauty of cherry blossoms is a sight to behold. Their brief yet mesmerizing show serves as a beautiful mystery that leaves us yearning for more. But there's more to these enchanting flowers than meets the eye. Did you know that there are more than 200 varieties of cherry blossoms? Yes, the world of sakura, as they're known in Japan, is more diverse than you might imagine. Each variety has its own unique characteristics, from the pale, almost white Somei Yoshino, the most common type seen in Japan, to the vibrant pink Kanzen, with its multi-layered petals. Even the number of petals can vary dramatically, from 5 in the simpler varieties to more than 100 in the extravagant Yaezakura. The colors of these blossoms aren't just for show. They carry deep significance in Japanese culture, symbolizing life, death, and renewal. The fleeting beauty of the sakura is a poignant reminder of the transient nature of life, a theme often explored in literature and art. And it's not just Japan that's captivated by these blossoms. In the United States, the annual National Cherry Blossom Festival in Washington, D.C. celebrates the enduring friendship between America and Japan, a bond symbolized by the 3,000 cherry trees gifted by Tokyo in the early 20th century. In South Korea, cherry blossoms are celebrated during the Jinhae Gunhangja Festival, the biggest spring festival in the country. Meanwhile, in Brazil, the Festival das Querejeiras Bunquios is a major event in Sao Paulo, bringing together thousands of people to marvel at the beautiful trees. And to think these captivating flowers with such depth and history are with us for only a short time each year. The world of cherry blossoms is truly fascinating, isn't it? Now it's your turn to share. Perhaps there's a fact about these ethereal blooms that really struck a chord with you. Or maybe you've had a memorable encounter with the sakura yourself. We'd love to hear your stories and insights, so don't be shy, let's start a conversation in the comments section. Remember to hit the subscribe button for more intriguing insights into the wonders of nature. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.